We landed in Brisbane, Australia, and the first thing we picked up was our rental car. Then we had to make our way out of the big city, heading north to rural Queensland. Well, we finally made it, and the pace is considerably slower here. We easily found our rented bungalow. The US dollar is so strong here, the prices seem like a real bargain. And just look at the wonderful view from inside. Hey Holly, I want to show you something. Look at this.
You know how you know when you're in the southern hemisphere? The water spins counterclockwise.
Hey, this place is really nice, but now that we're settled in for a few days, what do you want to do today?
How about we go to the beach?
That is a great idea. Wow, how beautiful. This is exactly how we imagined it. We feel younger already. You set up over there, and I'll set up over here, and this guy can be between us. This is fun, but I've got a good idea. Let's run out and try our hand at surfing. Woohoo! I think I've got this thing. Now let's see you try it. You go, girl. You're shredding it. Next, let's try it together. Woo! This is rad! She took first place. Well, it has been a fantastic, fun-filled day at the beach here in you-know-where. See you next time.